Hey everybody, Kyle here, Diesel Power Products, back in the mystery shop today, and we have kidnapped Taylor's truck, Romeo. As you all know, it's tax season. Well, he's the CFO, and so he's pretty busy, but we got parts sitting around for his truck, and I don't want to wait. I think they're cool, and we want to get them on the truck, so we stole his truck this morning, took it to our secret warehouse shop location, and we got some parts we're going to throw at this, so let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so as I mentioned, we got some stuff we're going to throw on Taylor's truck today. We have the AFE Momentum HD cold air intake. Really cool system. It fits the 20 to 25 GM 6.6 liters. He's already done a little bit to this truck with the CTS3. He's got the kryptonite suspension, the 37-inch tires. Time to open those lungs up a little bit and get some more airflow into that motor. So before we dive into the installation, it comes with everything that you see here. We got some stuff that we got to do in the cab, and we're in the PNW, folks, so respect the squatch. Okay, step one and very important thing we got to do before we dive into this install is you have to reset the air filter life and then disable that feature. So on these trucks, they have a feature similar like your oil filter where it'll say 100%, 75, 50, so on and so forth, basically down to the point where you need to replace or clean your air filter. We're going to reset that to 100% and then we are going to disable that feature. If you don't, you will throw a check engine light saying you need to service your air system. So we got to do that before we get into the install. Okay, now that we've got everything reset, we are going to dive right into the installation. Obviously, we got to get that factory one out, so it's going to start by removing the intake tube and disconnecting the MAF sensor. So we're going to get into that, get this thing pulled out, and then we can start putting in the new AFE one. Okay, OE stock intake tube, AFE intake tube. Some pretty big significant difference here. As you can see, all of the construction of the stock one, it's got all these ridges and there's these holes in there, creates a ton of turbulent airflow. Nice, smooth, and bigger tube comes with the AFE that's gonna help with that airflow in this truck. Okay, so as I did mention, those instructions are going to be a little different per application. There's only one grommet that you need to transfer from the stock box onto the new AFE box, and it is this grommet right here, the one that's physically mounting it to the truck with a bolt. Now on this back side here, on the stock one, there are these two posts that have grommets on those. If those come out with the stock intake, make sure you pull these grommets off and reinstall them in their inserts. It's going to make the installation of this much easier. Now that the AFE Momentum HD box is actually physically installed on the truck and you have that nut tightened, securing it to the vehicle, we are going to slide in the filter and then put the clamp on, but do not tighten the clamp yet. Okay, once you have the box installed, the filter in with the clamp on it, you have two options with this kit. You can jump straight to step 14, which leaves the resonator on your truck. We are not going to do that. We are going to take it off. So we are going to loosen the clamps on the resonator, and then we're going to install this silicone boot. Like I said, that is optional. If you choose to keep that resonator, you can. You're just going to skip a couple steps and go right towards installing that intake tube. Now that we have got that boot on where the resonator was, it is time to transfer our MAF sensor over to our stock intake tube. So all you're gonna need is a T20 Torx. We're gonna remove these two screws, make sure you transfer it correctly over onto that intake tube, and then we'll get it installed on the truck. Okay, now that we have all the clamps secured, tightened up, we double checked everything to make sure it's nice and secure in the vehicle. On the 24 and up models on this truck, you will need this little extension harness for your MAF sensor. If it is not a 24 or newer, you will not need this. Being this is a 25, we just got to install this harness and then plug it right into our MAF sensor. Lastly, there is a plug. There is a hole right on the very front of this, just around where it mounts to the vehicle. You can make this a completely sealed unit if you want this. For our circumstances, we want to get as much noise as we can, so we're just going to toss that guy aside, get this installed, and fire the truck up. Okay. Everything went extremely smooth on this install. I'm really impressed by that kit, the way everything lined up and how easy it was to install this intake. We've got no check engine lights, no issues there, and it looks like this thing's ready to go rip. So Taylor, I hope you have a great tax season. Your truck's got some pretty rad parts on it now. We'll see how long it takes them to notice. Guys, if you want anything for your truck or you want to pick up one of these intakes, you can come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.